Welcome to my channel. My name's Cheyenne, and in today's video I'm going to teach you two of my favorite vegan desserts. And y'all, these desserts are so good, so if you have a sweet tooth and you want some yummy goodness, and then just keep on watching. To make these delicious avocado brownies, what you're going to need is 1 avocado, avocado oil, white whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour, cacao powder, cane sugar or granulated sugar, baking soda, Himalayan sea salt or any salt, water, and vegan chocolate chips. You're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and then you're going to take your 1/4 avocado or half an avocado, and you're going to mash it up really well. Next, what you're going to do is take 1/4 cup avocado oil, and you're going to whisk that together and make sure it's really smooth with that avocado. Once that is smooth, you're going to add in your 1 cup of white flour, half a cup of cacao powder, 3/4 cup of cane sugar, but I'm watching my sugar, so I actually only did 1/4 cup of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, sorry I stuttered there, and then you're going to add in 3/4 cups of water. Lastly, you'll add in your 1.5 cups of vegan chocolate chips. Now that you have those all added together, you're going to whisk that together. If you have a hand blender or a hand holder mixer thingy, then use that. I ended up switching because my arm got tired. And then you're going to pour it into a pan and you're going to let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. Once those are done cooking, you want to let them sit for about an hour, let them cool off, and then you can serve them, especially with a nice glass of almond milk. Y'all, so good. So good. What you'll need is raw cashews, coconut oil that will be liquefied, lemon juice, vanilla extract, maple syrup, banana, graham crackers, vegan butter, strawberries, pitted dates. To make the base, what you want to do is take 3 tablespoons of vegan butter and you're going to melt that. And then you're going to take 6 graham crackers and you're going to crush that up, and that is going to be your base. Once that's all mixed together, you're going to place that mixture into the bottom of your mini cake pans and you're going to press it down and make sure it's pressed evenly. Now we're going to start on the filling. What you want to do is place your cashews in warm water for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then once that timer's up, you're going to drain the water, and now you're going to add in your 3 tablespoons of liquefied coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 4 tablespoons of maple syrup, and now what you're going to do is blend that all together and make sure it's nice and smooth and creamy. Once it's nice and smooth and creamy, you're going to pour that evenly on top of your graham cracker base that you just made. Now that we're done with the filling, we're going to start on the topping. So what you'll need is 4 to 5 large strawberries, 3 pitted dates, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You're going to add that to your mixer or blender or food processor and blend that all together until it's nice and mixed. Once that's done, you're going to take your spoon and just place that on top of the filling. Then you're going to pop them into the freezer for 1 hour. Once that 1 hour is up, you can pull them out of the freezer and you can put fresh strawberries on top and you can enjoy. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this vegan video, give it a thumbs up, and if you try these recipes, let me know in the comments down below, or follow me on Instagram and tag me in your recreations because I'd love to see them. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you. Bye. Vegan the most annoying bird I've ever seen in my life. Shut up!
Oh, he stopped.
Oh, it worked.